You will need 1 pound of fresh or frozen strawberries, a half tablespoon of agar powder, a 32-ounce can of unsweetened coconut milk, 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, a quarter cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mint leaves to garnish. Cut the tops and stems off 1 pound of fresh strawberries. Wash the berries well before continuing. Add the strawberries to a blender. Blend on medium speed for about 15 seconds. That will be enough. Using a sieve or strainer, force the liquid through the sieve to remove the seeds and strawberry fiber. A rubber spatula will help press the thick liquid through the fine holes in the strainer. Once the strained strawberries have contained in a bowl, reserve a half a cup to be used as a topping later. Pour the juice into a small saucepan and heat over medium heat. Add a half teaspoon of agar once the liquid starts to simmer. Bring to a boil, constantly stirring to prevent burning. This will trigger the agar to thicken. When it boils, turn off the heat and set the pan aside to cool down to room temperature. Open the can of coconut milk and add it to a clean bowl. Using a hand mixer, begin whipping the coconut milk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a half cup of confectioner's sugar. Continue mixing until the coconut milk thickens and form peaks similar whipped cream. Place the bowl in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours to allow the whipped coconut to firm up. After 3 hours, remove the bowl from the refrigerator and fold it into the strawberry base. Spoon the mixture into dessert cups. Pour equal amount of the strawberry reserve you saved when originally mixing. Garnish with fresh mint leaves and strawberry slices. Return to the refrigerator for another hour to firm up before serving. Enjoy the deliciousness of this wonderful dessert.